Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to stop any YouTube channel's recommendation on your YouTube homepage in Google Chrome browser. So guys, if you want to turn off recommended channels video, so very easy and simple method. So open YouTube and then click on this three dot, and here is the option do not recommended channel. So just select it. You want recommended videos from this channel to you again. So it's easy and quick way to stop recommended any video channels like this one. So three dot and select it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to stop any channel's video on your YouTube homepage. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.